certified bullies. So the puppies are ready to come off of their mom. Their teeth has came in, and she's about ready to stop feeding them. So we're gonna put them on a replacement milk for about 2 to 3 days, and then we're gonna put them on a mush after that. So my wife is here today to make the replacement milk, so everybody can get a good idea of what we do with our replacement milk.
Hello. First, we want to start off by using 1 cup of goat milk. See? Then a 1/3 cup of water, distilled water. What's that 1/3 cup again? Then we're going to use 1.5 cup of yogurt. Make sure you get it all out now. You hear? Now we're going to use a half. Now we already used 1 cup. Now we need a 1/2 cup. Now we need 1.5 teaspoons of vitamins.
What's the name of the vitamin? Who it's made by?
Polysol, right? It's by Enfamil. Zoo. Zoo. I'm going to make sure I get the correct measurements, so I'm going to use this little guy.
2 cc's.
It's going to be 2 cc's.
Here, baby, use this one. On the 2. So, 2 cc's at 2.
Right.
Yep.
Then next, we're going to need 2 egg yolks. So I'm just going to separate the white from the egg. I know, skills. Now, you're going to need 1.5 teaspoons of Karo syrup.
You know, some people use 2.5 spoons of Karo syrup, but you have to know if you use too much sugar, it can raise the dog's sugar level. You don't want to do that. The puppy can go into seizure, anything, pass away from too much sugar being too high. So you don't want that problem. So sometimes we use 2, but I'd rather use 1.5 just to be on the safe side.
Yeah, what my husband said. Alright. That's it. That simple. Tap on it.
I'm cutting that out.
Voila!
You want some?
Let me give you a little bit.
Or you want
All
some?
done.
So you turn off, and then we're gonna mix it.
Remember to serve this to your puppies warm.
When we come back, we're gonna be showing you the puppies eating it. We have to make sure the milk is warm, so we're gonna warm the milk up a little bit, and then we're gonna feed it to the pups. So we back. Finna ready to feed the puppies. See how they like it. This will be their first time feed off replacement milk. Let's see if they like it. She eating it.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, big girl. I'm gonna get this for about 3 days.
You know, I want to tell you.
They don't feel like it yet. She doing it. She doing it. You see her lift the ball?
Yeah.
Come on, little girl, eat.
That white girl, she going time.
Oh,
She knows what she doing. Remy, this ain't nothing for you, girl.
She gonna eat
Gosh.
Real she doing.
So, like I said, this is their first time eating out on their own with the replacement milk. And about 3-4 days, maybe 2, see how they go. Then we're gonna start putting them on mush.
I also don't even know what's going on.
She like, it ain't my mama.
What's the matter?
Come on, little girl. Get you some milk.
That boy stacked, boy.
Get you some milk.
Until they don't figure out what to do. My dog trying to pick up the bowl, still looking at each other.
Oh yeah, she got teeth.
She trying to pick up the bowl, still.
She got a strong neck.
Okay.
Okay. Yep.
She doing that sitting down. Holding it to her. She don't want to move.
I tell you who know about it. These two here.
Mm-hmm.
She trying to
She
figure it out.
well. Like,
Yeah.
oh, wait.
She can figure it out now.
His whole body shaking.
Oh, look, girl. You gonna flip the bowl.
She said it tastes good, but the metal ain't in.
Your gums itching?
She definitely is.
Get you some milk. Look, look.
What's this? Your mom thinks it's cool.
She trying to steal it all.
There she go.
That's lazy.
She can figure it out. Look,
Mhm.
she gonna work
Shaking
out.
with it. She's shaking, getting that stuff.
You gotta stop crying and get over there and eat.
She drunk.
Now you looking for it?
That boy got her whole mouth in it.
You gotta stop me and the baby, get over there and eat it. She's just gonna bite the bone. He done laid scratched out.
Making the bridges up tight.
Yeah, he got stretched. He done stretched out to get him something to eat. You gonna eat, little girl? Or you gonna sit there and play around? Come on, taste it. Good girl. There you go.
So would not.
She trying to lick his face now.
You gotta get that one to eat right
Which
there.
one?
Big girl.
She gonna figure it out. Come on, big face.
Figure out she gonna be down there.
Come on. Don't be fighting me. Come on here with your big butt. Taste it. Yes. You'll figure it out. You're gonna get home. You heard me.
Ain't no one
You
there.
heard me. Nope.
She got her
Feet out of it. Now you don't know how to stop.
Somebody put their feet in. That's the greedo. That's MJ. All them puppies is like, damn, you couldn't even drop the ball on the Troy. On the other puppy, you couldn't even drop the ball. They see that little metal thing you had, you got to like,
Yeah, they were going crazy. You gotta get that attention to get to one side. Puzzle piece and figure it out now.
she like MJ, look, she got a whole arm in it. Whole nose.
Vince Carter, I don't know.
Guys, see, that was Carter in that boy.
You can't cry, you gotta get to it.
There she go. Oh,
Yeah.
I like the ball.
Eat.
It's about to be gone.
Look at his fat self.
You full? Hey man, you got it all by your eye. You got milk all on your eye.
They gonna sleep good after this.
Yeah.
That's the body. She might be upside down in that way. That's bad.
Alright, Bully family. Got something you wanna say, Troy?
Yeah, so we excited about the pups eating on their own. So like I said, maybe 3 or 4 days we'll leave them on this, and then after 3 or 4 days, I'll come back with another video to show you how Raging Fire Bullies make their mush. We know the mush that we make here work because we already had a few puppies. I mean, they were pockets, but these are micro, so we're gonna see how they like it. So we got the right ingredients. Tune in for our next video on how we do the mush. Peace.
Alright, peace.
Peace.
Peace.